you want to, o diba?
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, never strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade.
Good morning. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you're always notified with my new videos. Ayan guys, so today we're going to unboxing my new ventilador. I bought a little bit ventilador, very cute, because here in Germany it's not well, it's not really necessary, but you know, because it's a little bit cold here, even summer. But sometimes when I'm sleeping, I try to close all because the mosquito come. And by the way, I put also the screen now in my window so I can open, but still warm. So that's why I bought some small ventilador. So there we go, guys. Ayan. So let us unboxing. Let's see what kind of ventilador is this. Ayan guys, let's see. Ayan, so there we go. Ay mga kalindog. The ventilador. This is Tektro ventilador. Ayan. So ayan guys. Excited, Petty. Even my dogs are excited to unboxing my little bit ventilador. So ayan guys. Let's get some knife. Wait lang ha. Ayan. There we go guys. Let us open this little bit ventilador. Let's unboxing. Ayan guys. Douglas Victoria, don't be magulo there. Okay, ayan guys. I'm so excited. Ayan, let's speak this or ayan, small. I remember this in the Philippines we have a lot. But you see how much is this guys? This is only €14.99. There we go. So it's like $15, 15 euro. There. 15 euro, no? So ayan, let's try mga kalindo. So ayan yung kanyang there is the back side and front side. Ito yan. Yeah, let us assemble it, di ba? It's easy because you know in the Philippines we use that always. And here is the wings or the what do you call that? The LC. I mean, no? So, and here is the motor. So, ayan, di ba very cute siya? Actually, I'm using the small one, no, the green one. I show you guys, ha? Wait lang. I show you, wait. Yeah, mga kalindo. Actually, I use only this, right? But this is it's a kind of small ventilator. Is I use for USB. There we go, the USB. I show you guys, huh? So, ayan, itong USB. So it's working like that. So ayan, oh. You see, guys? But I think this is only table ventilator or the what do you call this? The I forget what only for refreshing. Ayan, charot. But anyway guys, ayan, no, I told you. So let us proceed our ventilador. So but this is guys, this is electric. So we can put this in the ayan. So we have the button from the 0, 1, and 2. So if you want a little bit high, a low, or high. Ayan, charot. So ayan mga kalindo. Let's assemble. Ayan ha, assemble natin. Let's do it. So of course guys, let's do it first at the back. Ayan, this is from the back. O diba? So ayan guys. Oh, I need to take it out this first. Oh, diba? And then ayan, diba? There we go. Oh no. It's like that. So, ayan mga kalindog. I think I am right. Right? I am right? Oh, I need to put first also this. Right? So, no. Oh my god, mga kalindog. I think this is right first. Wait. So, ayan. That is right. So, we need to put this. And then we need to put this. I hope I am not wrong. Tama ba to, guys? Is this right? Or only from here? Ganun lang ba siya? Kaya mga kalindog. So, wait guys. I don't know how to figure. I try to figure out. Okay, wait. Ayan guys. So, ayan guys. That is right. So, the problem is they have also here. So, I need to take it out this. Oh, that's stupid. So, by the way, yeah, there. So, this is right, what I did. So, and now we need to put the LSC or the, so, yeah. Here we go, guys. So, right or no? No. So there we go. So there we go, guys. That was so cute. Ayan, and of course, ayan, we need to close it. Ayan, like this. So. So that's it. Somebody laughing here, guys. Second half. Wait, mga kalindog, ha? Oh my god, this is... That's fun. So, guys, there we go. Ayan, ganun pala siya. So, and of course, we need to put this the front. Ayan, almost done. Mga kalindog, wait lang. So, this is, I think this is from down. Kasi meron pa rin siyang screw. You see, this is the screw. Small screw. We need to take it out. Diba? Para, ayan. So guys, ayan. And we need to put like this. And put the screw. And open this. So there we go. Kaya hirap na hirap ang inyong mga kalindog. So guys, ayan, malapit. Oh my god. Oh. Wait, mga kalindog. So this is very small, very simple thing, you see, but it's hard for me. I think it's gonna be, yun na, mga kalindog. You know, it's better I put it like this. So hard. Hi, Mac. Let's open again. Oh my God. They're gonna break my new. Ayan. Ayan guys, because of my long name, I cannot do. Again. Oh my God. Falling again. Oh my God guys, ayan na. I put all. I done the screw. Oh my God, it's so hard guys. Ayan. So pwede na siyang ganyan. So, let's try it, guys. So, subukan natin. So, we need to close it here. This also. So, ayan guys. So, let us try. So, tapos din na. Oh my God, itong ventilador. So, ayan mga kalindog. Let's try it in here. I'm excited. It's very cute kasi, no? So actually, guys, I don't need this only when I'm sleeping, because sometimes it's really warm. Kaya naman tayo mga kalindog. So ayan. So try na natin siya, okay? So, ayan guys, I show you. Diba so cute? So, there we go. Oh, it's working. See? And, ayan, he's moving left and right. And we're gonna do it here for standby. You see, like this. See? I pull it the back, and then we go. So, ayan guys. You want to... O, diba? Okay na siya, only for sleeping. So, ayan. So, there we go mga kalindog. That's it. So, thank you for watching. I hope did you enjoy my unboxing the small, cute electric fan. Ayan. So, thank you guys. Thank you. Don't forget to smile. Ayan, bye. Thank you. Mwah.